Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. And in today's video, I am going to be showing you how to make some delicious honey banana milk. This is something good to make if you have like a leftover banana that's starting to go bad. This thing it was in the fridge, so it's not like brown on the inside yet, but it's about there. So I thought it was a good time to make this. And it's just so simple and easy. It's a great treat, okay? So first of all, you're gonna want to, well, if you want to be extra fancy, you're going to want to grab your cup first because we're going to be rimming it. Okay? We're going to be rimming it. No, as in rimming it. Get a little plate and if you can drizzle a little bit of honey on the outside, but I don't know if this will be as easy as just putting it right on the plate. Oh no, it will. Yeah, just rim your glass with some honey. This is going to make it sticky so that, look, there you go, perfect. And I made sure all the drippies, if they were going to drip, are on the inside. Oh, except for one. I actually failed with one of them. But try your best to do that so that you don't get it on your hand. And then put a little bit of brown sugar onto a plate. Try that. That was a little bit too much, not gonna lie, but, well, no, it's so clean. All it was on was on a clean plate. Oop. You know, I did wash my hands before this. I always wash my hands before every video because I figure that y'all don't want to sit there and watch me wash my hands. Like, what? I just got the bright idea to go like this, obviously. It's not like you're getting it in the middle. This is how you should rim it. For least waste, guys. Let's be not wasteful here. Okay. Yes. Cutie. Now it's got brown sugar on the rim. Whoop-de-doo. And to be extra not wasteful, I'll actually just put all this into my drink at the end. If you don't want it to be so sweet, don't do that. But, or no, I'll do it at the beginning then. Get a tiny bit of water in a cup if you want to do this one and you want it to melt and be good. Because otherwise you'll have like chunks of sugar. But we're going to make it, oh really? You should heat your water first. But I'm going to do it the really, really unprofessional way and just throw this whole thing in the microwave. But if you want to heat your water first, then that's actually the best thing to do. I did just wipe my counters, that's why I'm doing this. If your counters have yesterday's and the day before's grime, I probably would not do that. While that's in the microwave for a minute, get your banana and unwrap that baby and put it right into a blender. And we're going to put it into a blender with, oh my gosh, I just spilled a tiny little bit. That's why I filled it barely more than a cup. A cup of milk, which I was so professional to measure beforehand and then somehow I still spilled it. I don't know why I say still. It's not like I normally spill it. I actually did worse than usual. Look at that. Banana in the fridge when it starts to, like it already was kind of starting to go bad. Like not really, but you could see that it was. Then I put it in the fridge. It was good for days. This thing still ain't having like any brown on it. Look at it. Okay, it has one little spot at the bottom, but like that's fine. I mean, it wouldn't be that yummy to eat that part, but to put in a drink, yes. And the more ripe a banana gets, the sweeter it gets. So, if you let it get super like ripe like this, that just means that your milk is going to be a little bit sweeter. Okay, here's my simple syrup. And I know this might seem crazy, but that was not a lot of sweetener. Plus, honey's not that bad for you. We want to put a little, this is honey banana milk, like I literally said. You need to put your honey into here. Honey's actually good for you, especially if you have allergies. I do have allergies, and it is allergy season. Yeah, since I did simple syrup, I'll put that much blend and then taste. Really, you could also measure out 2 tablespoons of honey, and that would be perfect. But it's all to taste. It's all your preferred preference, my friend. So, I'm just going to see what this is like. I don't like measuring stuff that much.
While I can't talk because it's loud anyway, you should just like appreciate my outfit because look at me and then look at the milk and then look at me and then look at the milk. I literally am matching it exactly. I try to match my outfits. Look, that's spot on, bro.
Okay, that's not gonna be fully blended, but let me taste. That's pretty good, and you're gonna want to put a little sprinkle of cinnamon in there. Cinnamon. This is delish. I'm using Ceylon cinnamon because I'm extra fancy. Okay, give that one more little blend. Blenderoonie. Make sure that's on there good, and this is really loud. Okay, it's all blended. Now let me give this thing an open and a taste. I love banana milk. Stop, please open. How did it get out if it's not even opening? What the heck? Why are you squirting on me, banana milk? My titties. Ugh, okay. This is getting embarrassing for me. Oh yeah, that's all I needed. Whenever you can't open anything, get the trusty napkin. It was just my grip. After the banana milk squirting on me, I couldn't grip into nothing. Okay. That seems pretty blended. Just put the but actually before you do that, put some ice in here. You want it to be good and cold. Especially since I did that simple syrup with hot dang water, it gets nice. After you're iced up, get your banana milk into there. Might put a little bit too much ice. But that's okay because I can go back for a refill. Alright. And I think I did rim it. Do I need to get a straw? I feel like I always get a straw to be extra fancy, but then you can't really taste your rim, so I'm not even gonna do that. Okay, thumbnail is done. It's time to actually give this a taste and a rating. Cheers, guys. This is so good. Wait, I might actually start making this. Because if I was gonna make this or banana muffins, I'd rather have this. And I actually used lactated milk that I got from my granddad because ours, I looked at it and it literally was chunky. So, that's also why it was pre-measured. And I don't know if it's just because I like that more or something, because usually I don't even like that milk that much. And I was not expecting that like that one more, that's for sure. And the rim tastes so good. Oh my gosh. This was so easy to make. And it's, this is so good. Okay, sorry guys. I always like say a recipe as if I've had it, but this time I'm actually like, well, not always. I don't always do that. A lot of times I say I'm rating it. I've never had this one before. I don't really know why I was acting like I did. I don't know. Because I was expecting it to, I don't know. I'm like, oh. I think I might give it a 10 out of 10. Yeah. I like a banana. I really like this banana. I don't know, like a banana is not even usually my favorite fruit though. Like if I was gonna choose banana flavor or strawberry flavor, I'm choosing strawberry flavor. Or if I'm gonna like banana, I don't know, but that slaps. That is so good. 10 out of 10. For real. I love you, banana milk. Thank you for watching. I highly recommend you try this. And tell me if I'm crazy or if this thing is actually the freaking best thing ever. And it's so easy to make. Cheers. I hope that you make this and enjoy it as much as I do. You should totally go watch one of these.